Good day, everyone. My name is Isola. So today we want to talk about cell formatting. This cell formatting, if you are a data scientist, data analyst, or data entry, or you are aspiring to be any of them, in fact, if you want to work in any company today, you must know how to input data into Microsoft Excel. So it's very essential we learn, and the core part of this, you must be a data entry. So that is the uses of data entry. Now, this icon is the save icon, and we have two fade icon. We call it the undo and the redo icons. Then we have the spelling icon to check spelling, and we have the name of the seat. We have the selling bar and the searching bar, your name of your Microsoft email, then the ribbon icon. So the file home, insert, draw, page layouts, formula, others. All this they are called ribbons. So anything called for in cell formatting, everything is done on home ribbon. In home ribbon, we have clipboard, fonts, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing, and so on. Then beneath that ribbon, we have, you can see we have A1. This A1, the box that A1 is there, we call it the home box, the name box. We call this box the name box. Then we call this one cancel. We call it this fade can cancel. Then this fade mark, we call it mark, and fx we call it function, insert function, and this long bar we call it the formula bar. So now let's start. If I type something like what is your name, what is your name, we can see that if you come, you can see that uh the what's your name is from what, from column A to column D. Is enter column D. See this A, B, C, D, they are called the columns, and this one, two, three, they are called the rows. So you can see that what is your name, enter column B. So to sort this out, you can easily come here and drag between A and B. There is, so the line between them, the greater line between them, you can easily come there and what, and drag that line, then it will sort itself. Or if you come there, if you just double click, then it will solve itself without dragging. Now then we come to column A. So in font, so in font, you can easily come here to change the font size, to increase the font size, and to decrease the font size. So if you want to increase the font size, you can just come to where we have calibre. Then you click on that small icon. We have many fonts there. So if I come there, you can easily take any of them. So just take any of them. Let me just search for this. You can, if you know the font size you want to use, you can easily search it and you input. So I've changed the font's name and the font name. Then again, beside it we have 11. This 11 between them, beside it, it is called the font size. So this font size, now you can easily come there to change it. So if you like, you can take 14, 15, or any of them. Now let me just use this at 12. So again, we have a capital letter A, the bigger A, and we have a smaller a. This capital bigger A is, if you want to increase it without choosing it from the font size, you can easily come here to increase it, or the small capital letter A, you can decrease it from there. So again, beneath where you change your font size and font name, we have a B. This B is for bold. Then this I is for italic, and this U is to underline. If you come beside it, we are in that arrow beside it, underline and double underline. So that is it. This box, we will talk about the box later. So again, this one at times by default is yellow. We have the yellow beside it, but here now I have blue. So you can come here, that is our background color. So maybe you don't want white in your cell, you can change it. You can change the background color. You can change any of your color. Then this one by default we have black. You can change it to maybe white or any of them. So just change it and play it around. This is how we work with this now. Beside it now, after font we have alignment. This alignment we have how to arrange a number. So let me type 5 here. By default, if you type any number into Microsoft Excel or into spreadsheet, it will go to right hand side. So maybe you don't need this in right hand side, you can come here to change it to left or up, down, any of them. Just play with them either. So let me come back here now. We have orientation. This orientation, if you come where we have AB, so we have angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, both text. So you can easily change them from any you can easily play with them and see how it works. So you can see how it works. So that is orientation. Again, one next thing I want to talk about before I round up this course in this, I want to talk about warrant test. Now let me type I am a mathematics student. So I am a mathematics student now. If I apply warrant test now to it, you can see how it break it. So if I increase it, you can see how it break it. So that is warrant test. You can come here to align it into the middle. So if I align into the middle, so this is the uses of warrant test. Now we have something called merge and center. This merge and center, if you come here, we have merge and center, merge across merge cell and unmerged cell. So if you have to merge center, to merge cell, is either is from 2 cell or 3, 2 or more cell you can merge together. You cannot merge one cell together. So if you merge cell now, you first highlight the cell. Let me say yes. Let me highlight the column, the cell E and E10 and F10. So to merge them, you can come here. If merge and center, let me type good. So you see that it's between the columns. So again, if I merge across, if I type good, so you can see that good is what is in the right. Again, is in the left rather. If I merge cell again, if I type good, you see that merge cell and merge across are the same function they are performing. So that is merge and center. We have talked about the font and the alignment. So, and again, before I go, in this your name box, you can easily rename. Let me say merge and center. So maybe sorry. Okay. Yes. If you are renaming your name box, don't put space. Though you don't need to put space. Let me say merge and center. So merge and center. That's why you give me here. Don't put space. Again, don't put symbols. Merge and center. So maybe I've worked, and I need this cell again. I can just come here to go to it, merge and center. So thank you. See you in the next class.